Hello everyone, this is my review of the Yaheetech folding plant stand. Right away, I noticed how solid and sturdy it feels. The shelves hold a good amount of weight without wobbling, and the construction feels reliable. Setting it up was super easy. It comes assembled, so I just unfolded it and snapped a few parts into place. Before I knew it, I had a functional shelving unit that didn't require any tools or complicated instructions. What I love most is how versatile it is. I use mine in the living room to display plants and photos, but it's also great in the kitchen for holding dishes or pantry items, and I've even used it outdoors for potted plants. It really helps organize things and keeps clutter off countertops. The neutral finish complements my home decor. It doesn't look out of place and actually adds a nice touch wherever it's placed. It's the kind of piece that looks intentional, not just something you threw together for storage. Another thing I appreciate is how easy it is to move around. It's lightweight, but still sturdy, so if I want to rearrange or relocate it, that's no trouble at all. Overall, this folding organizer shelf has made my space more organized and stylish without breaking the bank. If you need extra storage or display space that's simple to assemble and looks good, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.